Hi, it's Husky here. Today we'll be cooking baked eggplant with cheese and pasta. We will start by preheating the oven to 200 degrees and setting a water for pasta to boil. Next, we want to cut off the top of the eggplants and slice them in half. Once that is done, you want to grab a spoon and scoop out all the inside of the eggplant. You want to leave the skin and up to half a centimeter on the side. Next step is to chop the eggplant that we scooped out into around half a centimeter or 1 centimeter cubes. Once that is done, we want to preheat the olive oil on the pan, as well as salt the water that should be boiling right now. Give it a mix and add up around 150 grams of pasta noodles. With that out of the way, we want to chop our garlic and the onion into a tiny cube so that we can add them to the oven. The oil doesn't need to be very hot when we're adding the onion and garlic, because we don't want them to get stuck to the bottom. We want them to cook rather slowly rather than fast. When your pasta noodles are ready, you want to take them off the heat, and the easiest way to check if they're ready is to give them a taste test. Now is the time to prepare our cheese. We want to get 8 slices of mozzarella cheese, as well as around half a cup grated Parmesan, or 50 grams of it. Don't forget about mixing your onion and garlic on the pan. Also, once they start getting see-through, you want to add up all the eggplant that we chopped earlier on into the pan. If it feels that the aubergine is a bit too dry on the pan, you want to add up a little bit of olive oil into it and give it a good mix. After your eggplant has been cooking for around 4 or 5 minutes, this is the time where you want to add up a bit of salt, pepper, and oregano. Once you seasoned your eggplant, you want to add up a can of chopped tomatoes and 2 teaspoons of tomato concentrate. You want to break it down and keep mixing. When everything is combined, you want to get your pasta noodles and add them to the sauce as well as mix them well in. When everything is well combined, you want to take the sauce off the heat. Now that this job is done and our oven should be preheated by now, we want to arrange 4 eggplant slices in the middle of the oven dish. We want to sprinkle them with olive oil from the inside. Then we want to add up the pasta noodle sauce around halfway through. Then fill it with mozzarella slices. Then top it with the pasta sauce once again, and then generously sprinkle with Parmesan. After that, you want to put it in the oven for 25 minutes.
A few moments later.
As you can see, after 25 minutes our eggplants are beautifully cooked. Now to serve, we want to get the plate, some Italian style salad dressing for the bottom, and the eggplant on top. It looks absolutely amazing this way, you don't need any more garnish, and tastes even better for anyone who's into aubergines. Thank you everyone for watching. I do really hope that you enjoyed it, and hopefully I will see you next week with another recipe.